Since there's no place we can go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Welcome to Let It Snow's Happy Hour Kit, part of December's basket. And this episode is for the Pinegranate. Pinegranate is very fun, it's very delicious. It definitely incorporates the season. It really tastes like the season. It's got a pine flavor. The pomegranate pairs with it beautifully. Let's get started, shall we? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a glass. I'm taking a low ball. Take whatever you have. And we're going to put some ice into it. Remember, the more ice you put, the stronger your drink. So think about that. The less ice you put, the more likely it is to melt faster and weaken your drink. So the more ice, the colder, the stronger, but it's up to you. Next, we're going to take our liquor, if you're using liquor. If you're not, just skip this step. I'm going to use vodka. You don't have to, you can also use gin. Rum would also work pretty well. Probably a white one better than a dark one. But for this one, I'm going to use vodka. I'm going to put 1.25 ounces. Next, we're going to take the sparkling lemon water that you all got in your kits. And almost to the top. A little bit of headspace there. Now we're going to take your syrup. Give it a bit of a shake because all the sparkles are going to be at the bottom. You want it to be nice and sparkly. But you don't want to shake it too hard, because the harder you shake acidic things, the faster they spoil. And about, I'd say 3/4 ounce. Maybe. Ooh, it's so sparkly. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. We're not quite done yet. You all got white pine in your basket. This is what it's for. You just take a little sprig. I washed this beforehand, but wash it also. And if you want to actually accentuate the smell on it, you can take a blunt object and whack it a little bit, and that'll give you more of the nose of the pine. Or you can just keep it as is and just go around. And kind of use it as your spoon. And take a sip. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, it's refreshing. And you get the scent of the pine and the pomegranate. It honestly tastes like you're drinking the season. It's very lovely. And it's not super dark. It's very beautiful. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the drink in the comments. And also take a look at my website. You can subscribe to my website. Also follow me on Facebook. Keep up to date with all the new things that are going on. Right now I am selling way more than just this kit. I'm expanding quite a bit. I've got hot chocolate kits, hot toddy kits, ultimate cocktail gift sets. Take a look, it's really exciting. At least I'm really excited about it. So, and if you're watching this from one of those things, well, Awesome. Cheers. Keep a lookout because I'm going to announce January soon, and January is exciting. I'm going to do dumplings as snacks.